Next is numerical number 15 on page 392. Two bodies of mass 10 kilogram and 2 kilogram are moving with velocities. V1 here is 2 I cap minus 7 j cap plus 3 k cap, and V2 is minus 10 I cap plus 35 j cap minus 3 k cap meter per second. This is also meter per second. Respectively, find the velocity of center of mass of the system. So here, velocity of center of mass. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by M1 plus M2. M1 is 10, V1 is 2 I cap minus 7 j cap plus 3 k cap plus M2. M2 is 2, V2 is minus 10 I cap plus 35 j cap minus 3 k cap upon M1 plus M2, that is 12 kilogram. Now, on further solving, 20 I cap minus 70 j cap plus 30 k cap. Then it is minus 20 I cap plus 70 j cap minus 6 k cap upon 12. So this you can see is cancelling out. So you are left with 24 by 12 k cap. So velocity of center of mass here is 2 k cap. Now a numerical which I would love to say, solve for you. This is given in your book as solved example, numerical example 10 on page 386. It says that three equal spheres, each of mass m and radius r are placed on a horizontal surface, touching one another such that they touch each one another. Find the position of center of mass. Find the position of center of mass. This is the question. In the old books, this is given as numerical problem, but here it is already solved, but I am using my concept, which I know. Now here you need to understand the diagram. All the three spheres are of identical nature, that is, they are having same mass, same radius, and all the three are touching each other. So let me make a diagram. This is one sphere, then this is another sphere, and then this is another sphere. Now, considering one sphere at origin, this is along y-axis, this is along x-axis. So if I consider this at A, this is the center, this is B, and this is the center, this is C. So the coordinates of this is 0, 0. This radius is equals to r. This one is r and this is also r. So this becomes 2r. This is also 2r. This is also 2r. Now, because I have considered one at origin, that is 0, 0. What is the coordinates of B? The coordinates of B will be 2r, 0. Why 2r, 0? Or along x-axis, we write x. First write x, then write y. R plus r is 2r. What about this? What about the coordinates of this? So if I will find this, along x-axis it is r, and along y-axis I have to measure this also. So if I consider this point as O, this point, so here AC square is equals to OC square plus AO square. AC is 2r whole square, OC need to be find AO is r square. So this is 4r square minus r square is equals to OC square. So OC is under root 3r. So that means y is r under root 3. All are having same mass. It is having mass m. This is having mass m. This is having mass m. Now let the center of mass of system be xcm, ycm. So here xcm is m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 upon m1 plus m2 plus m3. So on the denominator side it is 3m because mass is identical. Now x1 is 0, so this is 0. x2 is there, m into 2r plus m into r. So this is 3mr upon 3m. So what is left? R. xcm is r. This is an important logical question. xcm is r. Now you need to find ycm. Ycm is here m1 y1, that is 0, m1 y2, that is also 0, m into 0 plus m into r root 3 upon 3m. So this is mr root 3 by 3m, and cancel out. You are left with ycm, that is r root 3 by 3, or you can rationalize it. This will become r by root 3. So ycm is r by root 3. Therefore, center of mass lies at r, r by root 3. This is an important example. I have solved it for you. So this is all for center of mass. There are only 15 numericals. Now you need to practice work, energy, power and center of mass. Be prepared. I will ask for your copies roll number wise. I have asked it in the previous class to send their roll number 1 to 20 till Tuesday, and now you will send roll number 21 to roll number 45. Roll number 21 to roll number 45. In 11D, roll number 21 to 47, and 11A, roll number 21 to 45, up to center of mass. Complete your work and send your work to the respective teacher. Now I will start the new chapter, rotational motion, in the next video.